In this video, I am going to discuss on the problem of clock. We know there are hour hand and minute hand in a clock and also second hand, but we will confine our attention only taking two hands of the clock, that is hour hand and minute hand. Hour hand completes one rotation that is 360 in 12 hours, right? Therefore, our hand takes 12 hours for 360 rotation. So, 1 hour for 30 and for 1 minute for half degree rotation. That is, our hand takes 1 minute time for half degree rotation. This to be remembered. Similarly, if we see minute hand takes 1 hour for 360 rotation. Therefore, 1 minute for 6 rotation. We have to remember this relation also. Hour hand takes 1 minute for half degree rotation and minute hand takes 1 minute for 6 rotation. Then we can easily calculate any problem associated with clock hands and angle. Right. Here is an example. Find the angle in between hour hand and minute hand for a clock at 1:50 p.m. This is similar for 1:50 p.m. and 1:50 a.m. Not matter. And this clock is 12-hour clock, not a 24-hour clock. This calculation is about for 12-hour clock only. In this figure shows the time 1:50. That is, our hand crosses 1 and going to touch 2, and minute hand reached at point here 10, that is 50 minutes. 10 into 5, 50 minutes. So minute hand takes 1 minute for 6 degree. Therefore, 50 minutes for 300 degree. And our hand rotates in 1 hour 50 minutes, that is 110 minutes equals to 110 into half, that is 55 degree. We know that 1 hour equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 plus 50. 60 plus 50. 100 minutes equals to 1 hour 50 minutes. So our hand rotates in 1 hour 50 minutes equals to 55 degree. So our hand comes here to here it is 55 degree. The said angle will be, what is the angle in between our hand and minute hand? Will be 360 degree. 360 degree is the total angle, minus 300 degree, what the minute hand rotates, 300 degree. Then which angle comes? Then we will get this angle. And finally, if we add 55 degree with this angle, then the total angle we will get. So this angle will be 360 minus 300 degree plus 55 degree equals to 115 degree. In other way, the angle may be calculated like that: 360 degree minus of 300 degree minus 55 degree. So 360 degree minus 245 degree equals to, again we will get the same value, 115 degree. So the angle in between hour hand and minute hand of a clock at 1:50 p.m. or am is equals to 115 degree. Understand? Thank you.